hitting a nail through wood. And this is how you do it. And this is also the Gordon's family, you know. So, let's try this again, girls. Okay, then we just do this. Take them out, but it's harder when they're both in the same angle. So, we have to take them out more. And then, it'll be easier, much easier. And then you just make a beat. And then you can do it real good and easy. So, and then it'll be easier, but then you hurt yourself. So, just try and think to do this again. And then you just bling, bing, 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 bong, bong. And this is how you do it. Real good. Professional. See, I am professional of this. And this is how you do it. Just take it, and then it looks like that after. And then you do this, and then you'll be professional like me. Because this is my first time doing it, and I just got good at it. And I don't even know how I did that, but I just got good at it. So that's good everywhere, but at least you might get hurt. So it'll be, let me do another one, okay? And this is so good because I just love doing it because it's just so cool. I just don't know why everything is like this. So we just hit them through real hard.